check whether the vectors are coplanar. If it's written that vectors are coplanar, it means we have to find that they are linearly dependent. So in this question, put the given vectors equal to the 0 vector, and if that is equal to the 0 vector, then you will get this is 0 vector, then you will get system of equations, those are equal to 0. It means you will get homogeneous system. Then you have to find the determinant, and if determinant is equal to 0, then you will say that vectors are linearly dependent, but you will use the language of question and you say that the vectors are coplanar. आप लोगों ने उसी तरह उसको 0 वेक्टर के इक्वल पुट करना है फिर आपके पास एक होमोजीनियस सिस्टम बन जाएगा, उसका डिटर्मिनेंट लें तो उसका डिटर्मिनेंट अगर 0 आएगा तो आप कहेंगे कि वेक्टर्स कोप्लेनर है. Question number 6, the points are collinear. Again, we have to check that the vectors are linearly dependent. Again, the given vectors, linear combination of given vectors will be equal to 0 vector. Then we will get 3 equations if we have 3 vectors. Then this will be the homogeneous system. Then find the matrix A and then its determinant. If determinant is equal to 0, then you say that the points are collinear. Now in this question, we have to find real values of lambda so that the vectors form linearly dependent set in R3. The vectors form linearly dependent set means the determinant will be equal to 0. By putting determinant equal to 0, we will be able to find values of lambda. Now we have given with v1, v2 and v3. So we find k1 v1 plus k2 v2 plus k3 v3, that will be equal to 0 vector. This is the equation for linearly independence. Then k1 into value of v1 plus k2 into value of v2 plus k3 into value of v3, and as it is R3 space, so we use 0, that is of 3 components 0, 0 and 0. Now k1 will be multiplied by lambda minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, k2 will be multiplied by minus 1 by 2 lambda minus 1 by 2, and k3 will be multiplied by minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and lambda. You have noticed that this is triplet of one quantity, triplet of other vector and triplet of third vector. Those are not comparable with this 0, 0 and 0. How they will be comparable? That in a next step we will write k1 lambda minus k2 over 2 minus k3 over 2, then comma minus 1 by 2 k1 lambda k2 minus 1 by 2 k3, then comma minus 1 by 2 k1 minus 1 by 2 k2 lambda k3. Then that one will be triplet, here comma is missing. Then that will be the triplet, and that triplet separated by the commas will be equal to this right hand side, that is the 0 vector, and 0 vector is written in a form of 3 components, those are equal to 0. Now our left hand side says the first component that is equal to 0, from there we get equation number 1, then we get equation number 2, and then we get equation number 3. Now what is our target? Our target is to check whether the values of lambda are real, and we are able to get the values of lambda. Now we find the determinant of this system of equations. First row will be lambda minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. K1, K2, K3 are our variables. Then second row will be minus 1 by 2 lambda minus 1 by 2. Third row will be minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and lambda. Now after taking its determinant, we reach at this step that determinant of A is equal to this quantity. Now this is cubic equation. So while solving cubic equation, if factors are not possible for that cubic equation, then we take help of synthetic division to reduce the equation and find the factors of reduced equation. We know that we have to find values of lambda when the vectors are linearly dependent. So we put determinant of determinant of A equal to 0, then equation 1 dash, that is equal to lambda cube minus 3 over 4 lambda minus 1 over 4, and I have taken its LCM, and after LCM we get equation number 1. Now we have to find one of its root that satisfy this equation, and its root will be, I have checked lambda is equal to 1. When I put lambda is equal to 1 in this equation, this is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1 is root of this equation. If lambda is equal to 1 does not satisfy this equation, then we try lambda is equal to minus 1. If that not possible, then plus 2, minus 2, plus 4 and minus 4. From where these are coming? The factors of this product, minus 4. Now we start with the synthetic division. Lambda is equal to 1 is our starting root. Here we have started the synthetic division. This is lambda is equal to 1 of root of equation 1. I have started with this root. Lambda is equal to 1. 1 comes here. Now 4 is coefficient of lambda cube. 0 is coefficient of lambda square. Minus 3 is coefficient of lambda, and minus 1 is constant term. Now we drop 4 as it is. Then 4 will be multiplied by 1, that gives 4. Then their sum will be equal to 4. This 4 will be multiplied by 1. Now 4 ones are 4. Then their sum will be 1, and this 1 will be multiplied by 1. 1 ones are 1, and their sum is 0. Now these three numbers will give a reduced equation that will be 4 lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 1 equals to 0. This is whole square of 2 lambda plus 1. Taking square root, we get lambda is equal to minus 1 by 2. So values of lambda are 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and 1. This value is that value of lambda that we chose to start our synthetic division. So one of the root is this, and the other root is minus 1 by 2.